Hey, what's going on, everybody? Noah Harris again, Debt First Credit Second. Hey, welcome back again to the page. Hey, we're going to go out here, look at some houses again. And hey, not sure where you guys is at. I'm originally from Brooklyn, New York, New Jersey tri-state area. And I hear it's snowing. There's a snow blizzard out here. Hey, out here, you see what I got on, some sunglasses, a hat, and a t-shirt. It's pretty hot out here. So wanted to make a quick video. Hey, what we're going to be doing, looking at some more houses, trying to get you guys some good ideas, try to some spark some good mental notes. Hey, what are you guys looking for? Some feedback as well. Hey, when you see on these homes that we're looking at, and again, just to give you guys just free information. Hey, what goes on once you guys are approved to get a house? Hey, what's the next step? The loan officer, again, those are the people who's going to qualify, or the individuals who's going to qualify you um, on a house. That First Credit Second is the company that's going to help you get qualified as well with your credit, trying to receive or trying to get a loan officer, as well as a real estate agent, such as myself. So we're just here to help. And again, give you guys information and show you, hey, what goes on behind the scenes, or what happens again once you are approved and you kind of go out house hunting. And sometimes these clients don't realize exactly what they want, or what exactly do they want in the house. As a garage, do you want, what are some things that is mandatory? Um, so again, ideas is great, feedback too as well. So when we're showing these houses, hey, we can show you even more, and I can get better, making better videos for you guys, and giving more content. Cause hey, this is for you guys. So my next video is going to be showing the next house that we're going to be on, and hey, you guys just ride with me and enjoy the journey.